Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technical Things, and today I will tell you how to download jiomeet on PC. I am having Windows 10. First open Google Chrome and right here jiomeetpro.geo.com, as you can see here. And now you have to tap this one, download, and download on Windows. What you are having, click it, and it will start downloading automatically. And open it and run. It will take some time. And now you have to proceed, and this hero setup requires 250 MB. Then install now, and it will start installing. It will take some time, so wait for it. Please subscribe and like my channel. The video will become long, so I have to skip it for a while. As it is almost done. And the installation is complete. So if you want to run this, I don't want to run, and I press finish. So this is installed. Now check, yeah, it is here. So that's all about the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.